Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out this relation or not, how you can do that on your flow up. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down, then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, then you just go down here to looking for flow up here. So you keep going down here, then you click here on flow. So then you come to this list, you click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So and you go down, you click here on storage, then you just click here on clear cache and you go to your Play Store. I'm going to my Play Store, just click on it. Then you're looking for flow up, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, you just click on it, then it's going to work it with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.